Good day to all of you. Today we'll try to learn how to make changes in a table structure. When I'm talking about table structure means I'm talking about a table which is already created. After creation, we'll try to make changes in it, right? So in this, we'll try to add a new column into it. We'll try to drop a column from it. We'll try to modify columns data type. We'll try to increase column size. We'll try to decrease column size, right? So let's directly move to the SQL prompt. So let me clear the screen. So let me see the tables available. Select star from tab. Tab is a system table which help you to know how many tables already available. So I'm having a table student data. So I'm trying to make changes into it. So let's see details of student underscore data 1, or I can rename it, rename student underscore data 1 to student. So this table is renamed. So let's see DESC STUDENT student. This is the table. Now I want to add one more column into it, that is say father name, right? So making any changes in the table structure, like I'm going to add a column, I will be using alter table command. Alter table student. Then I will be adding, I will use add keyword. What I want to add? Father name, father underscore name. Data type, you all are aware of, varchar 2. I am assuming the maximum size of a name should not be more than 30 characters. So this is the command alter table name, that is students. I want to add father name as a column which will have data type varchar 2, size 30. Let's do it. It says table altered. Now to check, again DESC student C. This is the new column added in the table. Likewise, you can add many columns. Even you can add more than one column at a time. Now, let me increase the size of father name column or name column. So, again I will be using alter table name is student. So, I want to make change in size. I will be using options modify, because I want to modify. Then I need to write for which column? I'm using name. Data type I'm keeping same, varchar 2. I'm increasing the size. So earlier it was 30. Now I have made it 40 characters long. Table altered. Again see DESC student. So now see the effect. Earlier it was 30. See it here 30. Now after this statement, the size of name become this. Now let us make changes in the data type. Say the roll number data type is number, but I want to convert it to varchar 2. Let's see. Alter table, table name student. Want to modify what? Data type of which column? Roll number. Data type I am converting from number to varchar. Varchar 2. Size, let's have same. It's modified. Again to check DESC student. C. The earlier data type was number. Now from number I have converted to varchar 2. For this conversion, this is the command which we have used. Now, suppose I want to drop a column. Simple alter table name student. I want to drop inside bracket, write the name of the column. So FATHER, father underscore name. So you must have seen table altered. So let us see, means that father name column is removed. Student. See, earlier we were having this column here, but now we are not having father name column here. So this is all which we can do. Even with this, we can add. So with alter table command, we have three options. One is add, means we can add a column. Modify, we can modify a column. And then last one is we can drop a column. Parallelly in modify, we can change two things. We can change data type and we can change size of column. But make sure before making changes in the data type as well as size, make sure that column should be blank. So happy learning. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do practice your own to get maximum benefit from the session we have just given to you all. Please subscribe if you like to have more videos on the series.